Hey guys, welcome to Buford, Georgia. I am standing right outside 6740 Pannell Road. And if you've been dreaming of the perfect mix of luxury, privacy, lake life, you're gonna love this. We are literally a quick walk away from Lake Lanier, tucked away on a beautiful private acre and a quarter. This is a spectacular custom-built new Rivermore Partners home, and it's practically designed for multi-generational living or anyone who just loves to entertain. Now, I know a lot of you looking at luxury properties like this one and you absolutely love it. You might be frozen by the interest rates right now. So stick with me until the very end of the tour because I'm going to share some incredibly creative rate solutions that the smartest buyers are using in this price point to make the math work. But first, let's talk about the house itself. Right from the start, you get this gorgeous stone portico entry, a 3-car garage, a stunning yard with plenty of room for a future pool. Inside, we've got soaring vaulted ceilings with cedar beams, an incredible chef's kitchen featuring a hidden surprise in the pantry, and a primary suite that connects directly to the laundry room to make life incredibly easy. So let's head inside and I'll show you around. All right. 3-car garage is always a nice feature to have. We will take a look at that when you get inside, but I really want you guys to enjoy this front entryway. It just is kind of spectacular. I love the stone and the brick mix with those double doors. It's just such a lovely way to enter the home. And it just keeps getting better. All right, so we've got a cool chevron pattern there in this front entryway, opening up to a really beautiful amount of windows all the way through the back. So let's start with the main living space. You've got a lovely fireplace. That stone is implemented here as well with those cabinets and open shelving. And it just wide open to this gorgeous kitchen. I just don't think you could have too many cabinets here. So you've got all of that into a dining room that has the cedar beams and the nice big open floor plan here. I'm a sucker for cool chandeliers, so I'm a huge fan of that. You can just see how nice and open this all is. Truly an entertainer's dream. And let's not forget this little gem here. Oh my goodness. Who doesn't need an extra fridge, honestly? So you've got all of this space. More cabinets and just lovely layout for anyone who wants to have some parties and keep it all open. And of course, you've got your covered deck here, another beautiful fireplace with that stone feature kind of all throughout the house, and overlooking this super private, beautiful lot. So no HOA here, which means if at some point you wanted to landscape this and make a pool, you absolutely could. Let's go back into the main living space. And I'm gonna take you to the primary bedroom first. There is another bedroom on this floor. We are going to get to it, I promise. So linen closet, or I'm sorry, coat closet, whatever type of closet you want there. And here is your primary, again, with that cool cedar beam look and the most incredible view from your primary bedroom. Tons of light, if that is something you love. And now let's take a look at that bathroom. I'm a huge fan of the cool tiles they have And this incredible wet room. I mean, I would live there. Honestly, that's where I would live my whole life. And this beautiful countertops that are featured in the kitchen as well. You've got the closet, this closet storage system. Ugh, just amazing. All of the shoes. Making life so easy to get organized whenever this stuff is already here and ready for you. It's really fantastic. And here is this cool part of this layout. This door here brings you to the laundry room and the garage entryway. So this is your laundry room, okay? And then you're gonna see that the door is to the master suite. And here is where you can get to the laundry room from the main area. And here is going to be your garage entry area. Because we all know when you're living in a house, you're coming in through the garage 99% of the time, right? Your guests come through the front door, you come through the garage. Here is your 3-car garage. So here's the 2-car part. And then you've got for a boat or whatever your little heart desires, any toys you've got can go over here. And it goes right up into, hey, I need to throw my groceries in the kitchen here, or put things in the laundry room there. Kind of nice, easy access to everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at our bedroom that's downstairs. So this is the bathroom for your guests whenever they are visiting. Super cool tiles there at the bottom, and it does have a full shower. The shower is actually absolutely massive, which is cool. So some neat features there. This is going to be your guest bathroom for visitors, and then this could be bedroom, office, whatever it is your little heart desires, but just windows like crazy in this room, which I'm a huge fan of light. And you have your closet. Every bedroom has a nice, big, huge walk-in closet. So that's always lovely. And then let's go ahead and take this tour upstairs, shall we? See what all the bedrooms are like up there. Let me pause the tour right here for just a second because I need to address the elephant in the room. I know a lot of you looking at this beautiful $1.5 million custom home love it, but you're completely frozen by where the interest rates are right now. Listen, the smartest buyers in this price point are not just accepting standard 30-year fixed rates. There are incredibly creative solutions right now, like a temporary 2-1 interest rate buydown or custom portfolio financing that can completely change what your monthly payment looks like for the first few years. If you are serious about buying this year, but the math is holding you back, go ahead and comment the word strategy, or just check out the link in my description. Let's look at some creative financing options to see what we can do for you. All right, let's get back to the house tour because you've got to see the upstairs space. It transitions a little bit to like a darker hardwood floor color here, like a little bit more of a gray weathering. And you come up into this big cul-de-sac space almost. We're gonna go to these bedrooms here first. So here's bedroom number 3. We have the primary and bedroom number 1, or I'm sorry, 2 downstairs. Here's number 3. Right. Again, a nice big open walk-in closet. No one's going without closet space in this floor plan, that's for sure. A neat little open shelving nook and our tub shower combo here. Now, that door is going to open up to the little cul-de-sac area, right? But let's go through the bedroom, down the hallway to see bedroom number 4. And this is very similar to bedroom number 3, but this is a touch different. So again, you've got that open shelving detail, which is neat. The closet is inside the bathroom on this one. Still massive though, so that's great. Neat little style there. And now we're off to back to the cul-de-sac and bedroom number 5, which is in this corner here. Some vaulted ceilings on this one. And again, the bathroom and the closet share the same space. So you've got a really nice big shower there. No tub combo on this one. And then we've got the closet. So there is more space in this upstairs, believe it or not, but the next room is not a bedroom, it is a bonus room. There is no like formal closet space in here, although what I'm about to show you will still be lovely space, but this room is huge. It could be so many things, honestly. Just depending on your family's needs, there is so much potential in this space. It is just massive. And this door right here is to actually unfinished attic space. I love when there's a door to it because then it's super, super easy to use. So any seasonal decorations you might have can go here, be so easy to get in and out any time of the year. I mean, look how massive that is. So you're going to be using that, I am sure, for all kinds of boxes that come out only once a year. And believe it or not, there is even more storage space on this level right here. So you have just got tons of space. You are not running out of room to store things in this floor plan. So that's our second level. Now let's go ahead and check out the unfinished basement, mostly because I want to take you to the backyard as well. And the unfinished basement has the plumbing down there ready to go. So if you wanted to finish the space out, it would not require any of that. But it's right here next to the stairs. So much room, so many windows. Let's go ahead and check it out. You can see where the plumbing stubbed in and that far wall there. And then you can see all the windows, which is so nice. Daylight basement, and then there as well. So there's just tons of potential in this basement. I mean, it is massive. So let's take a look at the outside backyard from here. Nice covered space. So if you ever wanted to make this a grill spot, you absolutely could. Would be super easy to do. And then you've got this really lovely backyard space looking into the house there. So absolutely lovely. tons of options with this layout for sure. So I hope you enjoyed touring the house, and now for the details you've been waiting for. This brand new custom estate is offered at $1,497,000. And here is a little insider exclusive for you guys. This is actually part of a small private pocket of custom new construction homes right here off Pannell Road. This exact home is ready for you to move into right now. And there is one more custom home coming to the market very soon, featuring the same Kimberly floor plan. If you want to be the first to get the details on the next lot, or if you want to look into those creative rate strategies we talked about earlier, just comment the word Pannell right below this video, and I'll send you all of the information straight to your inbox. Thanks for touring with me today, and I'll see you guys at the next house.